I am Colonel Julie Ostrand. I'm the 55th Medical Group Commander. So as a female in the military, have I ever faced any gender discriminations? I would say in the Nurse Corps, it's almost opposite. Because we have such a large number of females in the Nurse Corps, it's almost a male discrimination. I'm a labor and delivery nurse is where I started off, and we didn't include the males on labor and delivery, although we have male obstetricians. So I think there was a little bit of discrimination of where we place people in our organizations. So me as a female, not in the Nurse Corps. Working in the Air Force and how gender equality has come up in the Air Force and my personal life, I would relate it more to my personal life. Being a female and the primary breadwinner in the house, my husband stays home and he's raised the kids. With my husband staying home, it's a significant role change, especially as I've gone into command, because he's had to sacrifice and not gone out and worked. Even after we've had the kids are out of the house, he still is there to support the rest of the wing. He really gets out there, and he's my rock. He's absolutely my rock and support for the rest of the wing as well. Competing for squadron command, group command is when you meet probably equality in male and female in the medical group. And I would have to say, I don't feel my career's been impacted negatively for being a female, because I feel like I've had the same opportunities as a male in the medical group.